How to add power saving to the lock screen shortcut on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on wallpaper and style. So you will see wallpaper and style is here, so click on wallpaper and style. So if you want to add the lock screen shortcut, so click on lock screen. And so if you want to add power saving shortcut on lock screen, so click on shortcut and click on no app, and you will see, scroll down and you will see power saving option is here. So if you want to add lock screen, so click on power saving. So after click on power saving, click on done. So you will see power saving shortcut is add on lock screen. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can add power saving to the lock screen shortcut on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.